Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I've got a really intense video for you, so check this out and ride safe. When the driver sees a biker coming from the opposite direction, instead of going to his lane, he is heading straight at him. The love for animals won and the biker decided to catch the escaping dog with a great dedication.
Wow! What is it? Do you think they realise that we...
He's trying to... I don't know if he's just a random person. Whoa! 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 Oh, I hope we got that on dash cam. Where is the dog? It's down there.
What dog?
It's still going. It's go.
On va éviter ceci démarre.
Je vais la donner à quelqu'un.
Extremely lucky to be here, be alive, be in the condition I am in. I know people who have turned out much worse, and I want to do something with that. I got a second chance to ride my bike, everything, so I'm changing this world one act of random kindness at a time. And I really, really hope I can make a big difference in this world.
What are you doing? You pulled out on him. No, I didn't. Who's driving? Me. You pulled out on him. No, I didn't. Call the ambulance. I'm calling. Please. I'm calling. Just sit still. Call the ambulance. I'm calling. Sit still, baby. Sit still.
Rachel, this is Donna. Hey, Corey was in a motorcycle accident.
Start with I'm okay.
He's okay. He's holding her.
The cyclist lost his balance and fell while riding close to the biker. It didn't take long for the bikers to react.
Ești ok? Ce?
Exactly. Always in public.
Biker on the road with priority was completely ignored by the several drivers. One of the bikers speeded so fast that he stopped at the parking barriers.
You good, bro?
Sure? I'm good. What happened, man?
He came in too hot, dude. He freaking started sliding.
Stop. I've been up here before?
Bro, this thing's freaking...
I'm good. Back off. Man. You alright, man? Yeah, I'm good.
Watch out with your bike. Just scoot your bike over.
Okay?
Damn, dude, I caught all that stuff, dude. You went flying, bro.
You went over that railing, man.
And I seen you starting to come out of those turns, too. Yeah, thank you. How's it still burning up, too? Oh, it's because leaking oil. You sure, dude? Take a seat for a little bit, man, because I know adrenaline will start going at you right now.
What's the way, man?
Just take a seat, dude.
Dude, I wish I had that on GoPro. I just turned it off.
No, I got it, dude.
I could have went straight. Go down.
Let me tell you, though, you were sending butt for a 600. I thought this was like the 1000R.
You need help? They're okay, but I don't know if the car's okay.
thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.